What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's 22 degrees out right now, and we just went fishing, and we're gonna find a place for this tonight. And we're up by Mammoth Lakes. They got 30 feet of snow since November 2nd, so I don't know where we're gonna go tonight or if we're gonna be able to find a spot up here. We might have to drive down the hill, but let's go camping. Oh my god. It's got way colder. 18 degrees. Oh. Heater engage. All right, let's go find a spot. We're gonna go look at another river real quick because it was completely full of ice yesterday, and I don't know if it is or not. And if it's not, we'll probably give that a shot tomorrow. And if it is, then we gotta change our plans a bit. So let's get out of here. Dude, there's so much snow up here. So I was up here like in November, I think, and that was when they got their first snow, and it was only a few inches, and now they're up to 30 inches after all the storms that they've had up here, which is insane. Usually I use these little turnouts to camp in up here, like when it's like this. There's no turnouts. It's just walls of snow from the plows going down here, and I honestly don't know what roads are open or closed. I just got up here a few hours ago. We're gonna wing it, and if we can't find anything or a spot, we're just gonna cruise down the mountain. I know a spot down in Bishop, so we'll give it a shot. Aye. Nobody was coming, so we're just gonna go give a quick peek on the bridge. See what we're working with. Doesn't look icy. Can't tell. No. That is not frozen over. It's a hell of a lot easier to see on the camera. Up there, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna have to go in over here and walk way back there with snowshoes. Oh shit, car coming. And it's icy. Alright, well, that's good news. Maybe we'll try that tomorrow. Maybe this guy to go around me. Cool. Yeah, we'll probably try that one tomorrow, if not going back to the same place we were at earlier. So, good news. So here's the plan. We're probably gonna fish there tomorrow. We're gonna head into Mammoth real quick just to take a peek at how much snow they got, because they get way more than where we were today. It's like a little pocket where the town sits, so they just get hammered with snow. We're gonna go check that out just for the fact that I've seen pictures of cars with like 10 feet on top of it, and just kind of want to see it for myself. So there's way more snow than I've ever seen up in this area before, and then we're gonna head down the hill, and I know a spot where we're gonna stay at, because we're not staying up on this road. There's like 3 pull-offs, and each one has about 6 cars in it, so I'll pass on that. We'll do that, make some dinner, go to sleep, and then go fish again tomorrow. I can't believe how much snow there is up here. This is awesome. Well, if you like skiing or snowboarding, Mammoth is the place to go right now. It's a flat parking lot. It's well over the top of the camper. How much is on the roof? It's crazy. Well, I'm glad to see I'm not the only one who hasn't taken the Christmas lights down. All right, now we're going down the mountain. We got our firewood. Blown away by this snow. It is crazy. I've never seen it. Been up here a million times. And yeah, that's insane. No, there's a coyote crossing the road. Right on. All right, Let's get out of here. All right. Doesn't work, so does that mean it's free? Okay. I usually try to do free camping, but this is gonna have to be it for the night. First things first, fire going. I'm gonna be lazy and use some lighter fluid. Hope that works. It's going. That's how close we are to the river. Set up. So maybe explore that tomorrow. I don't know. We haven't really come up with a game plan yet. We'll figure it out. We're just gonna enjoy this for now. All right. Fire's going good. Well, let's make dinner. So, in the last time we took this out, the stove didn't work. And I actually took it to Four Wheel Camper because it's by my house. And the dude who works on them was scratching his head and said he's never seen it before. So I'll probably have to buy a new Dometic stove. So we're using the Selkirk tonight in here. When we get the water boiling, we're gonna cut up the meat. I really need to clean this thing. I didn't realize it got this dirty. A little seasoning. good. Dump this outside. That is some easy gourmet deliciousness right there. All right, let's go enjoy this by the fire. So good. If I plan this a little better, maybe I'll start making some better meals for you guys. This is just easy, and my legs are sore from snowshoeing for the first time. 10-minute dinner. So we'll finish this, wash all the dishes, probably go to bed. I think it's like 8:15 right now, but I'm old, so I go to bed early. And make some coffee in the morning and figure out where we're gonna go. It's 9 o'clock and I'm very tired, so see you in the morning. We're gonna get up, make some coffee, maybe go out on that. Actually looks like it's flowing a lot. Oh Jesus, I almost slipped. It was cold last night. I don't drink my coffee black. I was gonna show you guys a secret or a trick. So if you get these Delight or whatever, what company are these? Whatever, they're like just the big coffee creamers. Open the lid. This little thing in here pops it open for you. So, without spilling it everywhere if I can. Oh, let's see if I can do it. Yeah, there you go. It's popped open. You don't have to rip your fingernails off pulling it off at 5 o'clock in the morning going to work. I might fly the drone around to see how clear the water is before we drive up the hill. It's actually pretty clear over there. So they said last week with all the rain, because they got the snow at the higher elevations, but we got a crazy amount of rain too. There's a dam right up here, and the Department of Water and Power for Los Angeles controls it, even though we're 5 hours away from LA. It opens on the bottom, so it lets all the silt out, and it completely blows the river out. It looks a lot better than what I heard it was. So maybe we'll give that a shot today. I think it's boiling. That's good enough. Ooh. Smells good. This is my first time using this thing, and I think I'm gonna have to stick to the old France press because this is taking forever. We'll see how it tastes though. If you catch the reference on France press, good for you. Only thing missing is a giant thing of firewood so I can have a nice morning fire, because it's probably still below freezing. I haven't even looked at what the temp is. I didn't even bring anything to stir it with. This will work. Adapt, improvise, and overcome. Perfect. Alright, let's go chill and look at the river. Made that coffee way too strong. So this would have been good to see last night. It's all like eating away. I'm glad I didn't put the chair right there. Would have gone swimming. You can see kind of over here, it's pretty clear. There's a lot of foam and junk floating through it, but it's not blown out like mud. Yeah, it's pretty clear right there. So, I don't know. Let's go fly the drone around. have a tradition every time I come home from the Sierras, and I will do this every time until they stop selling them.
Hi, how are you today?
Good, how's it going?
I'm doing just fine. How can I help you?
Can I get 4 chili cheese burritos
Okay.
and a large Mountain Dew Baja Blast?
All right. Any sauce today?
That's it?
No sauce?
Nope.
Okay. The 1169. Is that? Go ahead and pull forward.
All right, thank you. Every time. All right, guys. So if you enjoy what we put out, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. And in the meantime, get outside.